Hey, it's the Sarge here. I'm sure you're all aware that we've had a big major change within the Empower Network and a whole new platform that they've kind of labeled the blog beast. um, as you can see on the screen here, this is our new platform, and it is absolutely amazing. I don't know why I ever used WordPress if I had known this existed. Makes life very simple. But what I'm going to show you today is how to map your domain names, because what you can do with this is, as you know, Empower Network is blocked by Facebook and some social networking sites. So you can get your own domain and you can map it and map it into the Empower Network post, or sorry, the into the Empower Network platform, and you can use that domain without having to change the URL or mask the URL or forward from anywhere else. Once you set this up, and it's very simple, I'll show you how. It is absolutely amazing. You can have as many domains as you want, and I will show you. All right, so first of all, you have to be in your Empower Network back office. And this here, what you're seeing right now, is your new back office. You see here, you can to text, to write a blog post. Here you can record audio as a blog post, upload a image and video, and it's just as simple as click and do. That's it. It's very simple. Okay, so what you have to do is make sure that you have this little icon up here, your username. And then go over here, right down to this one here, and says view and edit my blog. Okay, so we'll do that. Sorry, I got a bit of a cold here. All right, so this is what you see. This is what your blog looks like. Okay, blog is all here. Too simple, right? Now, next thing you want to do is come right up here and see this little plus sign beside your header. You just click that little plus sign, and you get a drop-down menu. And here you have navigation bar, your SEO options. You can change your colors in here. You got your SEO options. You got to put all your stuff in. Obviously, the platform is very new, and I haven't even put my stuff in yet. You can put your Google Analytics ID down here and track your visitors, track what pages are doing well, which ones aren't, which sites or domains that you've used that are doing well, or which ones aren't. Then you got your footer data. You can change your footer. If you don't like it, you can just click on edit. You can change your footer. You can change anything in here that you want. Page customization. You can change anything you want. And notice how your blog doesn't disappear and go to a whole other page. It's all right here. Okay. And you have custom domain. Okay, so this is where you would put your custom domain. And you'll notice right up here, it has add a new blog, right? So before we do that, we're going to go over, and I'm showing you how to do it with GoDaddy, by the way. I use GoDaddy. I'm not saying it's the best. I'm not even sure if it is, but it works for me. I find it fairly cheap. So you go here and you create an account. If you don't have an account, create an account. It's free. Okay, so you just go to domain names. And this is the screen that'll come up when you first log in. Okay, so here I want to find a domain name that best suits what I want the page to be. Be creative. So here what I've done is, here what I'll do is I'm going to put in, let's see, what was that last one I just had up there? What was that? Something like blogging, or no, here, Sarge's blog basics. There we go. Just hit enter or click on go. It's going to come up and tell you if it's available or not. This one is available. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to add that. So we're going to take that domain. We're going to go to checkout. And it's going to try and upsell you on a bunch of stuff. Don't worry about it. Just go, no thanks. Okay, once, well, change it. You can change it to, you can have it for 5 years if you want. I just want 1 year. Boom. 1 year comes to $10 for a year. I mean, how cheap can you get, right? All right, so proceed checkout. I'm doing this right with you so you can see how I'm actually doing all of this, not just, you know, oh, you got a domain name. Well, how did you do that? Well, I'm going to show you exactly from beginning to end how we did it. All right, so, okay, good. We're going to continue. You pick your payment method, however you want to pay. It's up to you. And then confirm it. sargesblogbasics.com. Place your order. And done. Okay. So now it's done. I have that blog. That is mine. Okay. So I'm going to go to my account. Just click on your name or highlight your name. Visit my account. It'll go here, and you have domains. So we're going to click on the domains, and okay, it's not quite there yet. It will be in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Let's go back. Let's go back. Visit my account. See how long it takes. It takes a couple of minutes, but it will come in. And let's go to domains. Let's launch our domains. I got Sarge's blog. There it is. There, Sarge's blog, blogbasics.com. All right. So we're just going to leave that for now. We're going to go back over to our Empower Network, and we're going to add a new blog. Simple as this. You add a new blog. Now, name the blog what you want to name it. Okay? For me, I figure that one will be for training. So I'm just gonna name it the same. Sarge's blog basics. Boom. Available comes up, and then you just click next. And now it's going to come up here. It says your new blog has been successfully created, but it will take some time before you can access the blog with the new domain. Please check back in a few minutes at sargesblogbasics.empowernetwork.com. Okay? So we'll just leave that. It's going to take a while. And we're going to go back to additional links. Sarge's blog basics. See, this is what happens because it's not ready yet. So this is what happens. Boom. Can't find the server. Because it's not loaded yet. It just takes a little bit of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video, and when it's ready, I'm going to come back, and I'm going to continue on with this little training. Okay? All right. Wait out. I'll be right back. While we're waiting, you'll notice up here beside my Empower Network blog up here in this drop down, I have a few here. I was playing with it earlier. I made some blunders and trying to learn this, and I finally figured it out. So that's why you'll see all these here. So when you do yours and you make you add your new blog, you're only going to have one here, okay? And then you can go back and you can do this over and over for as many blogs as you want. All right. So this is why you're seeing these here, and I had to hover over the additional links to go and pick the one I wanted. All right, and that's why. So still waiting for this to load up. It takes about probably 10 minutes, so I'm going to again pause the video, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, let's check and see if this is ready to go, and it should be. Don't worry if you do this. Sometimes it can take up to half an hour for this to populate. So don't panic if you go here and you click on this and it gives you that page I just showed you. Just wait, have some patience. It will come. So let's click here, see what happens. See what we get. Oh, there we go. Now, there we go. We have our Sarge's blog basics.empowernetwork.com. Don't worry, this is going to change. But you'll notice here, see, I got an empty blog. It's a completely empty blog. Completely. So now what you do is you hit your little plus sign here again, customize blog. And you come over here where it says custom domain. Okay? Here you're going to hit custom domain. And you're going to enter your URL that you want, right? So the URL that you bought, or that I bought, or whatever URL that you bought, we'll just put it in here. You're going to make it nice and formal. www. What was it called? sargesblogbasics.com. There, comes up, has a little green available, of course, because you've already bought it. And then you click next. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to see this screen. Excuse me. You're going to see the screen. You're going to have one that says CNAME and one that says CNAME value. So we're going to go back over to our HostGator and my account. Oh, okay. Hang on. I waited too long in HostGator, so not HostGator, GoDaddy. We're going to go back into GoDaddy here. We're going to log back in. And when you're in here, just go to visit my account. Go and launch your domains. Now, you're going to have this list here. Okay, and one thing I want to mention before we go any further, I had some of these already, okay, and I tried, like the -sarge.com. I tried, this is why you see so many of those try and fails up in my bar there. This was already forwarded, and when I took the forwarding off, I must have not waited long enough or something, I don't know. I would suggest you go with fresh domains. For some reason, I could not get that to work until I went with a fresh domain, and I made work with sarge.com, and it works great. I have no problem with it. Okay, so anyway, we created this new one. Let's go. We're going to go into Sarge's blogbasics.com. We're going to go here. You'll see you have this comes up. You'll see 3 tabs here: Settings, DNS Zone File, and Contacts. So go to your DNS Zone File. And then right underneath, you're going to see Edit. You want to edit. So click Edit. And then you're going to have a whole bunch of little areas pop up. The second one is called CNAME Alias. So scroll all the way to the bottom of that one. Okay, and then you're going to see the one that says www. And a little pen that comes up right beside it here. Click that pen. Boom. Okay, now what you're going to take is you're going to go back over here. You're going to copy your CNAME. So this whole thing right here, copy that. Then we're going to go back into our zone file editor. We're going to click that little pencil, get rid of this, delete that, and we're going to paste that in there. Then we'll go back here again, and we highlight this. And you'll notice, well, actually, before we do that, you'll notice there's a little period at the end of .com. Don't copy that, just to the .com. Whoops, just to the .com. Don't copy that period. And if you do, and you notice it in your in here, just backspace it and get rid of it. So we're gonna edit this one. We're gonna go like that. Delete that. Paste that in here. There we go. Just click out of it, and very importantly, go up here where it says Save Zone File and click the Save Zone File. It says you're about to modify your existing zone file. Are you sure you want to save your changes? Click OK. And it says changes you take 1 hour. Don't worry about that. It takes just a few minutes. Probably be done by the time we're done doing what we have to do. Okay, and that's it. You're done in there. You don't need to do anything else in there for right now, except go back to your account. Actually, no. Go over here, your domain details. Go back to your settings. Okay. back in your settings, and you have forwarding. Okay, you want to click underneath domain. It says beside domain, it says off. Underneath it says manage. Click on manage, and it says you are not forwarding this domain. Add one now. Okay, so we're going to click add one now, and we're going to type our URL in there. So it's www.sargesblogbasics.com. You don't touch anything else in here. Click add. Don't touch anything else here, and click save. And again, changes may take a few moments to take effect. Sometimes it happens immediately, sometimes it doesn't. Don't panic. So now we're going to go back over to my Empower Network. Okay, we're done here. So we're going to click on Verify Custom Domain. And the domain is verified. Now, Empower is very fast. Okay, so it'll be verified quickly. Don't panic. Because you're going to take your, and I'm going to show you what happens. We open a new tab here, and I'm going to type in www.sargesblogbasics.com, and nothing's, oh, that was fast. Sometimes it won't be that fast. Okay? Sometimes it will not be that fast. But there, now you have a domain that is, you can take and copy to Facebook. And sometimes it won't go right away. Don't panic. Again, just give it some time. Remember, things on the internet, we like to think they're instant. They're not always instant. I learned the hard way. You can ask my friend Don Mars. I have a lot of fun doing stuff like that. So anyway, let's just go here. HTTP, just see if we can post it. www.sargesblogbasics.com. Yeah, and it's going to allow me, so I can post it. Boom. See, now if I didn't have to mask it, I didn't have to do anything, right? Isn't that awesome? So you click sargebasics.com, boom, it goes right into my Power Network. I got no posts or anything in here yet, but once I have posts, I can post this anywhere. I can take my URL and I can post it anywhere, and you can make as many of these as you want. Okay, so let's just log out of this. Okay, and we're back in here, so we can close all this. Close all this. Let's log out of GoDaddy. And we can close this. Now, we can close this. So now, if I want to post something, I have to go to my activity feed. And I write a post. And when you go to publish your post, well, here I can click this, and I write a post. When I go to publish my post, excuse me, it's going to ask me who I want to add, all my team members and all that. It's going to come up with some more windows, and it's going to ask you which blog that you want to post it to. You don't have to post it directly to your Empower Network blog. You can post it to whatever blog domain that you just installed. That simple. Isn't that awesome? That is, it's incredible as far as I'm concerned. And if you want to check which ones you have, you can go in here, view and edit, click your little plus sign here, and you have your domains that you've installed all on the top link right here. I have not yet figured out how to get rid of the ones that I didn't want to keep. I will figure it out eventually, and I'll let you know. I don't think you can actually delete them yet. It's probably something that they have to check. Okay, so that's it. It's as simple as that. I have another one here, work with Sarge, that I just built before I did this video. It's ready to go. I have my other one here. Additional links, you know, Sarge Blog Basics. It's ready to go. I mean, simple as that. Okay? So I won't keep you this video any longer. We've been going too long already. and have fun with this and get your domains and get your blogs up and start sharing and start earning some money. If you haven't got this blog platform already, I'm sure somewhere under this link there'll be under this video there'll be a link that you can click. If you want this platform, just click the link, enter your email, and I will send you the information that you want to get started. Okay, and that's it. So here, this is the Sarge signing out.